I have got right under Article 194 to speak. Congress কেনেকে মোৰ right হৰণ কৰিব পাৰে আপুনি মোক টাইম দিয়ক স্যাৰ টাইম দিয়ক স্যাৰ কংগ্ৰেছে টাইম নিদিয়ে আপুনি কেনেকে মোক টাইম নিদিব আপুনি দলত ক'ব দলত ক'বই I am a member of this house. How can you talk of the party? I am a member of this house, sir. Congress has suspended me. They cannot abrogate my membership. Sir, I should get more amendment as
Parliamentary Affairs Minister.
Mananu Upadhyaksh Mohoday.
Please.
Mananu Upadhyaksh Mohoday, more amendment as
Please, amendment box.
No,
Apna amendment dibo khote apne absent asile box.
No, sir.
Parliamentary
Sir, apuni likhi diche Congress time diya nai. Sir, I am still a member of this house. More MLA ship.
Jodi parliament expand koribo lage.
Sir.
Sit down.
I am still a member of this house. Congress has suspended me. But you have not suspended. You have not abrogated my membership. You have not abrogated my membership. More ki MLA ship gol neki. Moi kiyo na pam.
Apne amendment diya amar apna naam liya isliye apne absent.
Amendment di pelai loge boktobyo rakhibo pari.
Apne amendment dibo kole absent asile. Why you are absent? Please sit down.
Congress dole time.
Why you were absent when your name was called?
I am a member of this
Please
house.
sit down.
I am a member of this house.
Apna MLA kali sab apna amendment dibo nware. Itia
kindly muk time diyo sir. Kindly muk time diyo. Kindly muk time diyo. Congress has suspended me. That does not mean
Last time hole
my membership. I should be given time.
Please sit down.
Aapni mur MLA ship kati diyo.
Sit down.
Ei house MLA ship kati diyo.
Please sit down.
Joanai noy.
Please.
MLA ship ase.
Sit down.
I have got right under Article 194 to speak. Congress কেনেকে মোৰ right হৰণ কৰিব পাৰে আপুনি মোক টাইম দিয়ক স্যাৰ টাইম দিয়ক স্যাৰ কংগ্ৰেছে টাইম নিদিয়ে আপুনি কেনেকে মোক টাইম নিদিব
আপুনি দলত ক'ব
দলত ক'বই I am a member of this house. How can you talk of the party? I am a member of this house, sir. Congress has suspended me. They cannot abrogate my membership. Sir, I should get time. Kindly allow me, sir. Kindly allow me. No, I should speak. I should speak. Sir, I should speak.
মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষ মহোদয় মোক
আজি
ক'বলৈ
অত্যন্ত
দিয়ক।
বেয়া